your career span can only increase if you become an actor. Even me and like we have brothers, you know, we whenever we are together, people around us doesn't stay around us because we are how would I put it? We are like atom bombs out there when we are together. When the film got released, and we were really happy when the numbers were coming in. People were loving it. People were coming back to the halls. So that matters at the end of the day. I was being called unlucky actor for a decade. You must be knowing from Bengal. So I didn't stop, and that guy only became the superstar and a great actor in no time. How can that be possible? Everyone loved me at least, liked me or
as a human being.
as a human being. So कोई आके मुझे बोलता नहीं था. और जब कब बोला, जब मैं स्टार बन गया, जब मैं एक्टर बन गया, तब आके मुझे बोला कि तुझे पता है कि ऐसा अच्छा. Hi, this is Jishu Sengupta and you're watching me on Shubhajit's YouTube channel, Luft the Air. Cheers.
Like, share and subscribe right now. Thank you. ऑलराइट, नॉर्मली मेरा जो शो है वहाँ पे जो इंट्रोडक्शंस होते हैं वो बहुत वाइड, डीप, लॉन्ग होते हैं, बट यहाँ पे कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि दो रीज़न की वजह से. एक तो एक्टर जो है वो तो बेहतरीन है, एट द सेम टाइम ही कम्स फ्रॉम माई लैंड, माई मदरलैंड. वो जो बंगाल का एक जो बायस होता है वो तो रहेगा ही, बट दैट बायसनेस कम्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ लव, with a lot of respect for whatever he has achieved. Jishuda, thank you so much.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm great. এই ইন্ট্রোডাকশনের পর বাংলায় বলে দিচ্ছি, इंट्रोडक्शन पर আর ভালো না থাকার কিছু নেই. मैं बोल देता हूँ हिंदी में कि जो इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ है इससे बेहतर इंट्रोडक्शन आज तक मेरा हुआ नहीं, तो इसीलिए मैं बोला मैं अभी तो बहुत ही अच्छा हूँ.
क्या बात है. These things come straight from the heart. Exactly, that is what it is. You know, with you and you know everybody from Bengal, you can keep talking on and on in Bengali, but हिंदी है माध्यम नज़र रखते हुए हम हिंदी में वार्तालाप करेंगे. So बात ये है कि I heard a statement about you where you said that पहले मैं हीरो था, उसके बाद जाके मैं एक्टर बना. राइट नाउ व्हाट आई नॉर्मली अंडरस्टैंड इज यूजुअली लोगों का उल्टा होता है. दे स्टार्ट ऑफ एज एक्टर्स एंड दे वांट टू बी हीरो. राइट, व्हेन यू वर ट्रांजिशनिंग टू दैट फेज, व्हाट वाज दैट वन थिंग इन योर माइंड विच केप्ट यू कॉन्फिडेंट कि अगर मैं हीरो से एक्टर वाला जो ट्रांजिशन है करूँगा भी तो भी इट विल वर्क आउट फॉर मी? व्हाट वाज दैट कॉन्फिडेंस फैक्टर? कुछ भी फियर था कि अगर बैकफायर हुआ what will happen to me?
Trust me, I have never thought of so many things in my life.
Never been so analytical.
I have never. ये हुआ है मुझे, ये जो transition आप बोल रहे हो, this has happened after working with Rituda. Because Rituda has always told me, you know, your career span can only increase if you become an actor. If you love this craft, you know. Art is such a thing that you want to be attached to it throughout your life.
Absolutely.
But as a director, probably I can work till my legs are working or my brains are working. As a DOP also same. But as an actor, after your look, you know, if you start looking old, then only old character you will play, and which also you don't know you will get it or not.
हाँ, वो भी सही बात है.
But as an actor, you अगर हीरो 50-60 साल तक अब हीरो बने हुए हो, और उसके बाद आप हीरो नहीं बन पाओगे. देन यू हैव टू प्ले कैरेक्टर्स. बट इफ यू आर नॉट एन एक्टर, पीपल विल नॉट टेक यू. देयर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ एग्जांपल्स व्हिच आर देयर.
करेक्ट.
सो वो तो मैं सोचा कि नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, बट आई सेड यू नो बिकॉज यू नो यू फील गुड व्हेन यू पीपल से क्या एक्टिंग की है तूने. मतलब देयर आर हीरोज, जाके हीरोज को भी जाके बोलते, मुझे पता है जब बोलते मतलब बिकॉज द फिल्म इज हिट, दैट्स व्हाई पीपल आर गोइंग एंड सेइंग हीरो क्या काम किया तूने, क्या एक्टिंग की है. मुझे पता है वो झूठ है. बट व्हेन समवन कम्स एंड टेल्स यू व्हेन यू हैव प्लेड अ कैरेक्टर इन अ फिल्म ने क्या एक्टिंग की है, मुझे पता है कि ये बंदा सच बोल रहा है. दैट हैज रियली गिवन मी अ किक. यार तुम्हें, मुझे एक्टिंग आता है यार. आई एम नॉट ओनली अ गुड लुकिंग चैप हु इज स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा एंड
Correct.
फ्रेम में अच्छा दिख रहा है तो ये बंदा चल गया. नहीं,
लेयर्स है मल्टीपल जो दिख
which
रहा
I
है.
wanted to. Then I shifted to villains. I've done villains in my first, thanks to Srijit Mukherjee, has given me a role in Bengali Raj Kahini, which I got awards, dude, for a 10 minutes role for the best villain.
Yeah.
I never imagined that I can play a villain. So yeah, things have changed.
You know, another thing which I have observed with you is that you have never really, unlike a lot of people who think कि यार रोल में मेरा ड्यूरेशन क्या रहेगा, प्रोजेक्ट में मेरा ड्यूरेशन कितना रहेगा, you are somebody who has not really thought about it, right? And that is another similarity that I observe with someone like an Akshay Kumar. Like, you know, he too has always been like that, never been insecure, role length वगैरह कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, उनके gut instinct ने उनको बोल दिया कि करना है तो मतलब करना है. Do you relate on a humanitarian level in terms of your how mindset works as an actor with someone like an Akshay Kumar?
Not really. Akshay Baji has never done a character in a film. He has always been a hero. Matlab, there are multiple heroes. He's one of the heroes. But I've done films where I am just a character.
Right.
Say Rituda's film, who was my mentor. I've done Abhoman. It's just a character. There's no hero as such. It's a ensemble cast, but I'm a character in that film. If I say Zulfikar of
Yes, of course.
I'm just a character. Yes, probably the main villain, but there are like all these superstars of Bengal are there.
I am Devda, Proshanjit sir.
Apart from Jeet and only Jeet was not there. Baki
Everyone
sab
was
the.
there. Sab the.
And I played a small. It was not a big, but when the reviews came in, people, at least if there was 3-4 name, my name is there. If there's 2 name, my name is there. If there's 1 name, my name is there. That has given me kicks. That. So I have never thought as such कि ये करना है, वो करना है. And to be very honest, for me choosing a script was always like अगर ये character इस story से निकाल दूँ, story वहीं पे stop होता है या वो आगे बढ़ता है. अगर आगे बढ़ता है तो उसको नहीं करूँगा मैं.
That's a beautiful way of looking at it.
So
Smart way.
अगर वो story इस character को निकाल देने के बाद incomplete रहता है तो मैं वो करूँगा. वो एक scene भी हो सकता है.
Yeah.
But that scene should be mine.
क्या बात है. I think it's a very beautiful perspective to understand. I think that only comes from a great deal of experience, right? An actor is not limited to any language. You might be the biggest star, one of the biggest stars in Bengal, but the fact that you are exploring like anything, हिंदी में आप कर रहे हो, दूसरे languages में you're doing great stuff. Touch wood, आप करते ही रहो ऐसे. But one thing I want to touch base upon is your recent success. Recent तो नहीं, शायद थोड़ा बहुत time हो गया with Khadan. That was. Being a Bengali, it's so special. I love the way you, Devda, everybody celebrated the fact and it connected so well with the audience, right?
After a really long time, a commercial film in Bengal did really well.
We needed that kind of cinema,
Absolutely.
We needed that, but
it was rooted. It was very Bengali. The film was Bengali. That's the reason I think.
Me sitting in Bombay, I could figure out a way to watch later. But then the most important thing is that when you got the feedback of the audience, initial feedback, what were the conversations like Devda ke saath us time pe?
So Dev and me are like, we are brothers. We whenever we are together, people around us doesn't stay around us because we are how would I put it? We are like atom bombs out there when we are together.
And
the thing was, it is when we were making it, we would feel it. There's when you feel it, when you're on the floor, when you're shooting for a film, you understand नहीं film में कुछ तो बात है यार. अभी चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा, I don't know.
Correct.
Of course, that is on the audience. कितना आएंगे halls में, वो अलग बात है, तो business में चलेंगे. But otherwise, we could feel यार खराब कोई नहीं बोलेगा film को. Usually what happens when you're working on a film, यार इस पे criticize हो सकते हैं यार. But वो feelings ही नहीं था कि criticize होंगे. जो भी देखेगा अच्छा बोलेगा. So that was a feeling from the day one we started the film. And of course, when the film got released, and we were really happy when the numbers were coming in, people were loving it, people were coming back to the halls. So that matters at the end of the day. That matters.
You know, after you get a certain amount of experience, एक तजुर्बा होने के बाद as an actor, as an artist, आपको समझ में आता है थोड़ा, even if you're not deeply an expert in the business part of it, कि यार क्या चलेगा क्या नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत तो समझ आ ही जाता है with experience, right? How do you let that influence your decisions in terms of maybe selecting a script or identifying a script? Because हो सकता है कि script is great, but given the position that you have achieved today, it might not have that reach, right? So
It
sometimes
doesn't
you feel
matter to
that
me.
it
It
doesn't
does
matter.
never matter to me. No,
Wow.
it does never matter. I'm doing a film which no one will do in my space. No one. No one will even try and even get there. The film which I'm doing in Bengal. No one. But I thought that this story should be told. This story, and I'm not the main guy also. I'm one of the guy.
अच्छा.
Which is important. Again,
Yeah, of course.
उसको निकाल दो story नहीं बनेगी.
Yeah. Same thought.
हाँ. But I'm not the hero. Hero is someone else. But I thought he just thought of me. He casually said, दादा आप करोगे. अब मुझे नहीं लगता आप करोगे. आप सुनो ना story. सुनने के बाद मैंने
उसने भी expect नहीं किया हो कि आप हाँ बोल
नहीं
दोगे.
मैं उस टाइम बोला यार स्टोरी तो अच्छा है तू स्क्रिप्ट सुना ना मुझे. वो भी ऐसे चला गया. मैंने उसको मैसेज किया कि तू स्टोरी सुना मुझे. आप सीरियसली सुनोगे स्क्रिप्ट? ही डिड नॉट ऐसे तुझे स्टोरी तू नहीं तो बोला. आई पुट इट ऑन हिम. ही सेड नो मैं आता हूँ. अब टाइम बोला. ऐसे अभी मैं थोड़ा बिजी हूँ. तू आई थिंक जैन एंड और फेब में बात हुआ. ही केम टू माय ऑफिस. आई हर्ड द स्क्रिप्ट. ऐसे तू इस कैरेक्टर के लिए बोल रहा था ना. बोला हाँ दादा ऐसे मैं करूँगा. चल डन. ही वाज
Instant.
क्वाइट. हाँ नहीं आई सेड आई विल डू इट.
नहीं, मतलब वो सुन के
And I
instant.
knew he won't be able to pay my money. And I'm saying it openly. He won't be paid that because it's a small film. I said, मैं इतना पैसा लूँगा और मेरे साथ जो काम करते हैं उनका देख लेना. बोला आप इतने पैसे हो गया बात.
Wow.
And probably it will be in October, November we'll shoot the film later because उसको भी there are funds he wants to get into and सब कुछ उसका. But it's a very very independent kind of a cinema.
क्या बात है. But you know, it's a follow-up question to this is यही कि by God's grace आपको success मिला, आपको fan following मिला, आपको popularity मिला, all because of good credible work, right? So do you sometimes feel that आज मैं इस situation पे आया हूँ where I can maintain a very nice balance of great commercial cinema जहाँ पे बहुत humongous reach होगा and at the same time because I also have that balance, the other side I can focus on doing the kind of things I want to जो शायद पहले अगर वो सिक्योरिटी मेरे में
ये
नहीं था.
आंसर तो मैं आज नहीं दे पाऊंगा बिकॉज मैं उस पोजीशन में हूँ. आज मैं बोल सकता हूँ यार नहीं आज मैं इस पोजीशन में हूँ इसलिए I can't say because I am.
Because from my perspective, I feel you are in that position, but of course.
So then if I'm there, so obviously because I'm there I can do it. So it won't be right for me to answer this question. It would be right to answer this question someone who is doing that kind of cinema and not doing a big film or not in my position probably. I will be lying to you then. I shouldn't be answering this question. Because आज तो मैं बोल ही सकता हूँ हाँ मैं हूँ इसलिए तो मैं कर रहा हूँ या आज हूँ फिर भी मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता मैं करता हूँ. I will be lying. In both the cases I will be lying. I will not say that. So I can't answer that question. Yes, of course I'm in this position. I can afford to do that. But जब मैं नहीं था, जब I was being called unlucky actor for a decade. You must be knowing from Bengal.
सुने चाहिए हमें.
So I didn't stop. And that guy only became the superstar and a great actor in no time. How can that be possible? I know the reason why I was being called unlucky actor. I know the reason why people want to work with me if they have 30 days or 20 days or even 15 days of my in Calcutta right now in a Bengali cinema. I know that. If I give a date to any of the production house, sir, आपके साथ फिल्म करना है, ये मेरा डेट है. I know they will make a film with me. So ये transition भी मैंने देखा है. Again coming back to your question, if I answer, I will be lying to you. I don't because I'm not in that position to answer that. I'm not in that platform to answer that. I would have answered this question probably 20 years back.
But I think that phase, it's incredibly amazing that you stood there. Of course, you had your own challenges as well at that point of time when you were dealing with all that. But the
But
fact
again,
that
I'll tell you, it was not a struggle for me. I was just working. that time also I've never thought of it. अगर मैं सोचता आज यहाँ नहीं पहुँचता.
You never let it affect you.
Never. I didn't know only. I knew when I became an actor. तब मुझे पता चला. I understood because people they in the industry no one is to tell me on my face. Or I never had an enemy in the industry, which probably that is one gain which I've.
That's right.
But everyone loved me at least. It liked me or
As a human being.
As a human being. So कोई आके मुझे बोलता नहीं था. और जब कब बोला, जब मैं स्टार बन गया, जब मैं एक्टर बन गया, तब आके मुझे बोला कि तुझे पता है कि ऐसा अच्छा, अब तो बढ़िया है, तुम बता अभी तो नहीं हूँ.
तब तो you're seeing the fun side of it. That's
yeah. So I've never thought of it. I've never sat down and strategized नहीं ये करना है वो करना नहीं कि मैंने मुझे पैसा चाहिए था, पैसा नहीं था मेरे पास, घर में पैसा नहीं थे, मुझे काम करने थे और मुझे just happily काम करना था. But that's it. That's what I did and I'm doing that now also.
क्या बात है. I think very inspiring and ये ऐसे ही आप करते रहो. And मेरा आखिरी सवाल आपसे यही रहेगा कि knowing you as someone who has a directorial ambition going forward, to work with a masterclass in himself like Priyadarshan, मतलब it's like a real life class.
I have learned this Bhoot Bangla has given me so much. I can't even express that. Because not as an actor, I won't say, but as an artist, I would say, I've learned a lot. Acting तो छोड़ी दो, जो faces है यहाँ पे, you can only learn if you don't want to learn. Also, if you stand in front of them,
तभी सीख लोगे
if you're an actor.
Correct.
और director जो है, it's a master. If people spend money to go to film school to study films, मैं बोलता हूँ practical के ऊपर कुछ है ही नहीं. आप आके assist करो किसी को भी. And if you get an opportunity to assist Priyadarshan, people who wants to become a director, that will not happen easily. But if you want to become a director, film school is important. I'm not saying it is not, but practical ground is more important when you actually go and give a clap or maintaining a continuity continuity sheet is more important than studying what is continuity sheet is all about.
बिल्कुल. आई थिंक ऑन ग्राउंड एग्जाम्पल इज ऑलवेज द बेस्ट काइंड ऑफ लर्निंग. अच्छा हो बुरा हो आप सब सीखते हो वहाँ पे एंड एक तगड़े इंसान बन के आप उभरते हो. एंड आई थिंक वो तगड़ा इंसान मेरे सामने जो बैठा है वो भी एक तगड़े इंसान ही है. From a lot of challenges, he has actually conquered that to be the man that he is today. And I feel so proud on a personal level. Like I mentioned, starting पे भी मैंने वही बोला था Bengal, ending पे भी वही बोलने वाला हूँ Bengal. Lovely time having a conversation with him. मैं एक ही चीज़ बोल सकता हूँ, 10th April onwards, भूत बंगला आप लोग जाके देखो, इनको प्यार दो, the entire cast को give them a lot of love. जिसके साथ भी देखना है देखो, family, girlfriend, boyfriend, partner, बस देखो, सिनेमाज में जाके एंजॉय करो, एंजॉय योर पॉपकॉर्न, एंजॉय भूत बंगला. थैंक यू सो मच. दैट्स अ रैप ऑन द सनी जी शो विद द फैंटास्टिक जिशु सेनगुप्ता सर. थैंक यू सो मच. गॉड ब्लेस, टेक केयर, स्टे सेफ एंड थैंक यू.